Human dentition and tooth anatomy. Basic structure of human tooth. Major portion of human tooth is the dentine. Dentine is made up of calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. There is another layer of calcium phosphate and carbonate above dentine called the enamel. Enamel consists of larger and more denser concentration of calcium phosphate and carbonate than the dentine. Hence, enamel is harder than the dentine. In fact, enamel is the hardest part in human body. Inside the tooth, we have the tooth cavity called as pulp cavity. All of the blood vessels inside the tooth travel through this tooth cavity or pulp cavity. At the lower region of the tooth, we find the layer of cementum. Cementum helps the tooth to attach itself to the jawbone. Tooth, along with the gums, is embedded inside the socket of jawbone. Cementum helps tooth to attach itself to the jawbone with the help of these fibers known as Sharpey's fibers. The entire structure of human tooth can be categorized into three parts: the upper region known as crown, the region at the center called neck, and the lower region known as root. Crown consists of upper dentine, pulp cavity, and enamel. Neck will include dentine at the center and pulp cavity. The root region consists of dentine at the lower region, pulp cavity, and cementum. The region of pulp cavity, which enters the gums and the jawbone, is called root canal. Human dentition. Inside our mouth, our teeth are embedded in the socket of jawbone. The upper jaw is called maxilla and the lower jaw is called mandible. 16 teeth are arranged both in the maxilla and mandible each. The first type of teeth we shall study about are the incisors. 4 sharp incisor teeth are present on the upper and lower jaw each. 2 on the left half and 2 on the right half of each jaw. The second type of teeth are the canine. A pair of pointed canine teeth are present on the upper and lower jaw each. 1 on the left and 1 on the right half of each jaw. Premolar teeth. 4 large premolar teeth are present on the upper and lower jaw each. 2 premolar teeth on the left half and 2 teeth on the right half of each jaw. Molar teeth. The last type of teeth are called molar. 6 large molar teeth are present on the lower and upper jaw each. 3 molar teeth on the left half and 3 on the right half of each jaw. Therefore, if we divide one particular jaw into its left and right half, teeth will be arranged in the following pattern in one half of a jaw. First, there will be 2 large incisor teeth at the front, followed by 1 pointed canine teeth, followed by 2 large premolar teeth, followed by 3 large molar teeth at the end. Teeth are arranged in this similar pattern in the left and right half of both maxilla and mandible. 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolar and 3 molar teeth. If we count the number of teeth, there are 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolar, 3 molar, total 8 teeth on left and right half of each jaw. A total of 8 plus 8, 16 teeth on the upper maxilla and lower mandible, and a total of 32 teeth inside our mouth. This builds the human dental formula, which is 2123 by 2123. As there are different types of human teeth, human dentition is called heterodont. Since human teeth are embedded inside the socket of jawbone, human dentition is also called thecodont.
Humans get their teeth in 2 stages. First, a set of temporary teeth called as milk teeth, which are then replaced by a set of permanent teeth. This type of dentition is called diphyodont. Can you try and guess the human dental formula for milk teeth? There are certain types of teeth which we get only once in our lifetime. Can you guess the names of such teeth? Also try and find out the dentition for this property.